Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Toner. In today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing, demo and review of Crown's CAXW-MA2 auto darkening welding helmet. So let's check in what's inside the box. Straight away you can identify the welding helmet comes with a premium level packing which contains color images, dimensions and special features of the unit, which gives you the feeling that this helmet is a professional level product. The helmet and the head strap is packed inside a plastic cover. Let's take it out. Please refer to the red box on the screen for in-depth specification on the welding helmet. The viewing area is protected by a special protective cover. Let's take it out. Inside you have a warning sticker and also we can find the viewing area is protected from a special protective cover from inside as well. From the outside you can see the darkness level adjustment, easy access, easy to turn. The plastic is built from very good quality plastic, feels nice on the hand, has a good finish, and the stickers are also very good finish. In front viewing area we can see the two sensors. This helmet consists of two sensors, auto darkening and solar panel for battery charging, and the viewing area. So let's check the viewing area matches with specification. You can see the width and the height of the viewing area closely matches with the specification. Let's turn inside and see what's inside. Inside the auto darkening module we can adjust the response time and the sensitivity of the sensor. You have a CE marking and also 2D barcode to access extra information. This is the body of the darkness adjuster connected to the outside knob. And let's look at the head strap. The head strap also looks with premium quality. Let's remove the adjustments and fix it to the welding helmet. The head strap itself has a nice soft cover for the forehead area. It can be adjusted from the diameter as well as the head height. This is the diameter adjustment. Good strapping, really good quality strapping, soft strapping, and the head height adjustment. You can see the manual inside the box. I have taken it out so I can check the specification and how to fix the welding helmet to the head strapping. It's all done. So let's check the performance. The darkness level can be changed from 6 to 13. I have set the darkness to 11. You can see straight away once dark initiated, the module goes to the auto darkening mode and it gives a very clear image for the welding. Once the welding stops, it goes back to the normal mode. Moving to the pros and cons of the product. On my view, on the pro side, I find the product has a good build quality, high sensitivity, fast response time, and does feel light and comfortable when wearing. Considering on the con side of the product, I do not find any negative aspect of the product as per the given price category it is offered, and I do recommend this product for other users as it is good value for money under $50. So many things to consider before buying, but I hope this video will help you to make an informed buying decision. Please support me by subscribing to the channel. Thank you.